Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 1-trip odometer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.